We are now on Beach Road, about to turn on Quartermaster Road. And as the name suggests, it does have a war history. Immediately after the taking of Saipan by the US and the Battle of Saipan, and for months and perhaps years afterwards, this is the road that the quartermaster was on. That's a military role to supply food, clothing, shelter, all the logistics for army personnel. Right now, the Commonwealth Utilities Corporation, CUC, is erecting or re-erecting downed utility poles. This is one of the few areas where the poles had not been, where some of the poles had not been replaced with concrete poles. So work is ongoing. And some of the labor-intensive work continues, and I'll show you that in another video.
Subscribe.
You know what a man said.